So I went on YouTube and I searched Sunni Shia marriages, and I looked at maybe 10 videos from prominent scholars. I'm sure I've missed many. 5 Shia and 5 Sunni. I'm not saying what they said is wrong and what I'm about to say is right. That is not what I'm saying. But I'll say this, that I found them to be one-sided. Meaning the Shia speaking to a Shia audience, obviously he took some jabs at the Sunnis and shamed them and this and that. And the Sunni also did the same thing, speaking to a Sunni audience. In fact, one of them, I don't know if I should call this funny, if we should cry about this, but somebody called them mufti, self-proclaimed mufti, obviously, but with many followers. And is it okay for me to marry a Shia? No, they are kafir. That was the shortest video I watched. And also shaming people who do this. And I beg to differ.